Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys a quick video at the beginning here, a process video of how I made all my ephemera on the insides of this accordion junk journal. And this is a playlist. If you guys want to get caught up, I will put it on the end screen and you guys can come check it out and get caught up to where we're at. And today, after that, I'm going to do a flip through with you guys and we'll go through it. And yeah, and then this is going to be in my Etsy shop. So the link is down below. If you guys want to come check it out, I'd really appreciate it. Even if you don't, purchase it or anything, if you just like my shop at Snowstorm Crafts, it helps me out so much. And yeah, so let's get started here. So I'm going to go ahead and put that process video on for you right now. Okay, so you guys are all caught up. I just did a quick video of showing how I put everything together and stuff. So let's go ahead and see here. So this is just a coffee dyed closure here that I put on. And this is the cover. I think it turned out really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go through and do a silent flip through with you guys. And yeah. And I hope you enjoy. And there we go. So that is our cute little accordion journal here. And I'm so glad that you guys joined me on this wonderful little journey that we went on together. And I hope you found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.